Learning English speaking. 1. What is your name?
My name is Eric.
2. How old are you?
I am 18 years old.
3. Where are you from?
I am from America.
4. What is your job?
I am a first-year high school student.
5. What is your hobby?
I love reading, writing, drawing and playing with my friends.
6. What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
7. What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
8. What is your favorite pet?
My favorite pet is the dog.
9. What is your favorite vacation spot?
My favorite vacation spot is the beach.
10. What is your favorite song?
My favorite song is Shape of You by Ed Sheeran.
11. What is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is The Shawshank Redemption.
12. What is your favorite book?
My favorite book is The Lord of the Rings.
13. What is your favorite video game?
My favorite game is Minecraft.
14. What is your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is football.
15. What is your favorite sports team?
My favorite sports team is Real Madrid.
16. What is your purpose in life?
My goal in life is to become a writer.
17. What is your biggest fear?
My biggest fear is failure.
18. What is the happiest day of your life?
The happiest day of my life is my high school graduation.
19. What is the worst day of your life?
The worst day in my life was the day my grandmother died.
20. What is the most valuable lesson you have ever learned?
The most valuable lesson I've learned in my life is to always be kind to others.